Ew, you're leaving it there. You're leaving it there. Pick it up, pick it up. I'm sweating.
You're sweating, you're so nervous. This video. Hi guys! I'm going to do my daughter's ear waxing with this little tool, and it's really fancy dancy. And then it has this little app, and the image portrays on your phone so that you can use this as a guidance. And then you scoop out all the wax, which is really remarkable because you have a lot of accumulation. It comes with little tools and little scoopers of various sizes. So she cleans it with a little alcohol, obviously.
So we just did hers for my channel,
And now I'm doing
now we're
mine
doing
for my channel.
mine for her channel.
And yeah, and maybe I'll sit up because
These are all like used. So we're gonna get the plasticky one, the ones that with like a rubber protection. Oh, kind of.
I'm gonna have to fight through all those little studs that you have.
You don't have to go through there.
Just
go in
pull.
Yeah,
Wait a
just
minute, but
pull.
I'm lefty. I have to pull this way because I'm lefty.
Whatever it
So-
takes. That's your wipe to drag
wipe.
the juices. Okay, we're
So
putting
she-
on a clean one.
She puts on a little snappy nap, little scoopy,
I was really good explaining.
and it has a little
Screw.
screw to hold it in. Let's show it to the world. Everybody, check
Put
it
your hand
out.
behind.
Look at this little thing. I'll turn it. See that little scoop? That's amazing. See that? And so, I'll place that there. No, I gotta stand. No, I don't have to stand.
Okay. Whoa.
I don't
You
see
have to
any-
like. I see my piercing.
Your little hole is really tiny.
Ew.
Oh, I got a little tiny scoopy scoop.
This tickles.
But I feel like
Get the top.
I don't see anything there in the top.
It's there.
Oh yeah, I see a little tiny.
Should I
Oh,
move
yours
forward?
is. You have nothing compared to what I
I
had.
clean my ears.
I
with,
guess because you're so young, there's no like.
I clean my ears with Q-tips.
I clean my ears with a Q-tip every now and
It's
then.
really not looking like you do, honestly. Ooh, chunker.
Not really.
Kinda. Oh my gosh, I feel it in my throat.
You feel it in your throat? I did too. She just did mine.
If
And
you're
want to watch my daughter's video, you can watch that.
oh wait, that one looked a lot scarier than what it was.
Okay.
Wait, there's a hair on it.
On this?
Yeah.
It's a little fiber on your clothes.
Tone on.
Okay. So,
Whoa.
what's your YouTube thingy so they can check yours out?
Wait, there was such a big chunk
I
right
didn't
there.
see it. Wait.
No, it's there. It's there.
I'm so
It's
afraid
just
to go
Jules
in.
Torado. Scoop it.
Ah,
Ew, you, just,
I
like, you definitely just dragged it all over the walls of my ear.
got it. Over the walls of your ear. All right, let's do this. Let's do this. Us today, right now, it's being very uncooperative. I feel like I'm going in, but
You're not even going in.
oh,
Ew, you got the earwax on my piercing.
oh, sorry. No, I didn't. Did I? But you don't have your wax. There's like
Because you're
nothing.
not scooping on. I saw a chunk and then it came off and I'm pretty sure it went in my hair.
There it is, right there. You see that? It's just magnified on that. All right, let's do it again. Let's do it again. Okay. Maybe if I pull this way.
Yeah, that's what I did. Ew, look at my
Okay.
hair. Ah.
Oh, I'm afraid to like go in there, Joel.
Well, then just go where
There's
you are.
nothing.
I felt that in my toes. Ew, you're leaving it there. You're leaving it there. Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up.
Scoop it.
Ew, it came off. It didn't go in. It didn't.
It is. Look at it. It's
No, there's definitely some left
okay.
over.
Okay.
I saw it fall
There's
off.
leftover residue. Okay, let's keep going. My mouth is open. It's like when I put mascara on. Why does the mouth open?
Ew, ew, ew.
I'm afraid to hurt.
Ew,
my
it looks
daughter.
juicy. Ew!
Oh!
I'm sweating.
You're sweating. You're so nervous. Okay.
Should we go to the other ear?
Wait, one last tug. Wait, I see a little something there.
Pick Pick it up.
I'm trying, but it's not sticking.
Are you next?
And my mouth is open again.
I have a meeting.
Okay.
I'll make it in there.
You want to make a guest appearance in Daisy Morera Trotta's video?
No.
You can make a guest appearance.
Guys,
I'm too bummy.
it's the one and only USA
one and
Oh,
chiropractor.
no,
Okay.
I'm too bummy. I'm too bummy.
Little
Alright.
do you know, if he's not in a scrub, he's in flannel.
Sorry. No, he just came from the sauna. He's in relaxed mode. Alright, let's switch sides.
Pennsylvania changed him.
Can I use the same thing?
No.
Oh.
Do you want the stool?
Yeah, I need the stool.
I feel like a new person.
Julie, there was like nothing.
I know. I clean my ears very frequently. Because I'm scared of this.
Okay, here we go. Now we are going, whoa, and we fell. Going, whoa, and to the left. Wait, let's move this little stool to the left
Okay,
side.
let's give this one a good scrubbing.
A swipe down.
Yeah.
We'll act like doctors with alcohol. Wash your hands for 30 seconds. Say the whole alphabet. Here we go. Wash, rinse. Okay,
Wash, rinse, rinse.
there we go. Here we go.
Okay.
We're going in.
Pull the ear.
Julie, your ears are so clean. Stop moving away. See, I got a better angle on this side. Because I'm lefty. And I could... Oh, you see? It's all about lefty. Sorry. It's all about... Ooh. It's all about who's lefty, who's righty. She's sweating. Wait, it's stuck. It won't come off. Oh, no, the little fibers from the little alcohol swab.
Mom, there's such a big chunk of
No.
wax right there.
I think I had way more chunkers than you.
Yeah, well.
See, since I'm lefty, I think this angle's better.
Okay, only clean my left ear then.
Since I'm a right-handed person has to do that.
Okay. Don't just
We're
go
going in.
Don't go in like so crazy.
Okay, it hurt.
It's just, I feel it in my tongue.
Okay.
Look at that roof.
Wait. Oh, a little tiny little dry thing.
Wait, don't twist it. Go
Oh,
at the
don't.
same angle. Get the piece. This is like a video game. Come on.
It
Get
is
out.
like a video
I'm
game.
cheering for you. I really think that there's a big piece, and I think that we're leaving it.
Oh, there's a little piece, but it's not so big.
Should we clean?
What?
Clean it.
See,
Was my mouth open that whole time?
mine was. I know. It's like mascara time. Was my mouth open the whole time? I think it was. I'm sorry. Okay. Now we're gonna do it with the mouth closed. Doesn't work. Wow, you're. I can see like way deep in there. Sorry. What happened? You felt it in your throat?
Yeah.
Okay. Julie, your ears are sparkly. You hardly have any wax.
Ew, you're just dragging it.
No, I'm not dragging it. There was nothing.
That side's dirty. Okay, wait, let me see if
Yeah.
I can get something.
There was
I'll
nothing.
go deeper. And
You'll go, yeah, you know your ear. Want me to hold this?
oh, she's dark in here.
It is dark. It's a tunnel.
Why is it so dark?
Because it goes into your brain. That's why it's dark. We don't want your brain coming out. I can't see anything.
What's that chunker in there?
Chunker? That little tiny thing? It's
No.
dry skin,
It's in
probably.
you see that right there?
Where? Right there?
No, on the right.
There? Your eardrum. Oh, no, there is something there. What is that?
I don't know. Ew, there's a lot of wax.
Oh,
looks like
good scoop.
scraping gelato.
There you go.
Maybe I shouldn't. I just lost it in there. What the heck? Wait, you're not supposed to be the one.
Okay.
Found the gelato.
There it is. That's a good one.
I really hate to say this, but I think my ears are just cleaner.
I think your ears are sparkly compared to mine.
Well, this was still an 11-minute clip, so I feel like we're good.
All right, there you
So,
go.
our
Signing
video.
off. There you go. So, if you want this again, let us know. I won't clean my ears for like 4 weeks. Who knows, right?
Ew.
I'll be sure to run, to exercise, to go on hikes, to clean the garage, go through the attic, and all the dust inside, all the dirt.
We don't
and
have an
grime.
attic.
No, we don't have an attic. However, but I can find dirt somewhere. And then we'll do the scoop.
What if we go on our nose?
Oh! How about the ombligo? What do you call this again?
Oh, it's off.
Oh, okay. It's off.
My belly button. No, my phone. His
Signing
phone.
off. Thanks for watching.